ndito ino na kuria Professor Kindiki akionekete gukorwo agikirira na njira nene na makiria kwambika mihango ya guceraga nyumba-ini ino ya Nyayo House itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ruhonge ruru rwa uthami ni rwa gicokeria mwihoko kuri muigi. No ukinyandikire ukirire hihi ndikui kana we wana kigikora kana hihi passport yaku yana ikorwo igiikara guku kana hihi utungata o wothe wana gibatara ruhonge-ini ruru rwa uthami wana ikorwo ugitungatirwo na njira ihana atia. Kiaranirie nani kugerera mutambo witu wa Facebook @Muthingi TV na niguo ikorwo ngigutambura na tugithie na mbere ni ati Kamitii ya miario ya Uiguano umuthe ni gicokereirie gikaro kiayo kana gikaro kiayo na ni thutha wa ikorwo magikiria thutha wa kahinda ga kiumia kimwe gutari gucemania. Gukiri uguo Kamitii ino na makiria ire iragitereba miario ino Kamitii iria ciragitereba miario ino cia kiubundi ni ikihetwo kahinda-ini ga kiumia kimwe gukorwo makithurima mawoni maria mothe makitengemanitio mbere ya gukorwo magitengemania riboti kuri Kamitii iria yo nyene miario ino ya gibũrũri kuringana kana gukinyiria riu mawoni makiria ma 142 nimo makineanitwo mbere ya Kamitii ici cia kiubundi na iria iragithie na mbere na miario ino. Riboti tukiharirio ni mwandikiti witu ti Maina wa Mucwe.
Thutha wa Kamitii ya miario ya Uiguano kwendekithiria Muigi gutuma mendekithia mao kuri Kamitii ino kahinda-ini ga kiumia kimwe kihituku, mendekithia 155 nimo maikitio ni Akenya, 121 magitumwo kwetukira email, 29 makinengeranwo kwetukira bunge ya gibũrũri, 5 magitumwo kwetukira bombers, guku 13 maikorwo mecokerete. Riu Kamitii ino igitigirwo mendekithia 142 maria mabatie gukorwo magithurimwo.
So a total of 155 submissions that we have received, less what we call the double submissions, where you find they have submitted 2 copies, 13. So we have a total of 142 memoranda as reported this morning. These were done by various individuals. Some of the memoranda were by individuals, many of them by groups and institutions.
Kumana na wigi uyu wa mendekithia maria muigi utefanetie mbere ya Kamitii ino, riu wigeririki utigeirwo timu ya ubundi guthurima na gutigirira ni maiganirira na ajenda 5 iria ciakorirwo ikendekithio kwariririo itemi-ini ria kuiguithania thirikari oro hamwe na mung'ethaniro.
As you can see, dealing with 142 memoranda is quite a task. And we immediately after this, the technical committees will go into session and do as much as they can.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper na uria utongoragia timu ya Azimio la Umoja Kalonzo Musyoka augite kwambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo ni magukorwo makiaraniria kinyi kuona ni magukorwo mamukirite riboti ya uthurimi kuma kuri timu ya ubundi guku akiranira gutigirira ni maraniria na kuona kihonia gwa kahinda karia maiguaniire.
The technical team is part of the work of this committee. So all we are saying is we allow them these few days to delve deep into the memoranda, while in fact allowing other Kenyans as well, so we don't lock out anybody, so that when we meet on Monday, it will be serious engagement. So we're of course aware of the time limit, very much aware.
Riu maitho mothe merorereirie maumirira ma miario ino kumana na urugari uria ugiteho gatagati ka mioyo ino eri wigimaini na miario ino guku gikaro kiria kirigirwo kuhanika muthi wa mwambiririo gicungiriria gwitika gwa thikũ 18 hari iria 60 maiguanire gukinyaniria miario ino.
And we have purposely decided to ignore external negative energy.
And we will be coming back here on Monday to receive the reports of the various memoranda and then be able to make a decision on the way forward.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, rĩakwa nĩ Maina wa Mucwe.
Nĩ ngatho Maina wa Mucwe nĩ tondu wa riboti ĩyo njega. Tũgĩtigane na icio tũkĩhiũke nginya kaunti ya Kiambu na nĩ atĩ